let's review the custom error message element, which was submitted as an IDR and now available as part of Salesforce Winter 24 release. The updates can be found here on the release notes. So this is the error message, the custom error message element that has been added in the flows. Now, this feature is available on the Lightning Experience in Salesforce Classic, in Essentials, Professional, Enterprise, Performance, Unlimited, and Developer editions. All of us, rather most of us who have been working with flows, have faced a situation where when a flow failed, it was not possible to display the specific error message as part of the flow execution and without having used some kind of an automation such as triggers, which made it little difficult for the end users to understand the exact reason for the operation failure. With this custom error message that has been added under the flows, um, it would be possible to understand or to display the informational messages to the end users while the flow is being created, wherein the informational messages can be displayed at the window level, in a window at the record level, or even as an inline error message for a specific field. All right, so let's review it. So here, this is my test org, and I have created a flow for my account. Now, what this flow says is that if my account is active, then let's try and add, a validation that the phone number update will not be allowed, right? So now here I have already added, the conditions. So after I have added this condition, now I just want to add the custom error message for my flow. So what I need to do is I need to add an element wherein I will select custom error message. I can select custom error. Now when I'm creating the custom error, I can give the label, such as um, phone number update error, updating phone number on an active account validation. And here, if you see, I am being provided whether I want to show this as on a window on at a record level, or I want to show it for a particular field. So let's add a message at the record level. Now here I can add the message up to 255 characters, right? So let me just add a message, phone number update for an active account is not allowed, right? So this is what I have added, and I can save this particular flow. I'm saving it as a new version. Once this flow is saved, I can activate this flow. Now let's look at this flow in action. So basically, this is my record page. This is my accounts, and I'm just opening a test account which is in active state. Now here we see that there is a phone number and it has some pre-existing data. Let's just go ahead and try and update the phone number. Now when I try to save it, it will give me the error message that we just added at the flow for this particular field, right? So we can add multiple error messages, and all those error messages will be displayed at this record level itself. Let me just cancel it. For the demonstration purpose, I have also added another message which talks about an inline error message for a field, right? So basically what I have done is, for the email field, I'm just adding the custom error message which says that I cannot update an email address for an active account, right? So let's just go ahead and see if this validation, how this particular validation would work. So let me just go ahead and add a test email here, and let me just try and save it. So when I save it, it gives me an inline error message. So basically, with this custom error message, I think it becomes pretty simple for us to display the information messages to our end users to indicate them why this particular flow is failing. And I think it will make the execution of the flow at the end users level pretty straightforward. So that's an idea exchange which is also available as part of the Windows 24 release. Do check out the release notes and let us know if you have any comments or if you have any suggestions. Um, Thank you for watching. That will be all from us today. Thank you.